Meanwhile, arrange the pork leg in a baking tray lined with aluminum foil. Coat the leg with garlic, salt, and pepper. Bake in the preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Remove in the oven and set aside. Heat oil in a pan. Sauté garlic until golden brown. Add onions until translucent. Add the roasted pata. Add the Knorr cubes. Pour in the mango beans with water. Add water enough to cover the pork pata. Cover and let this simmer for an hour or until you see that the mango is tender. Add water if necessary to prevent the soup from drying. Reduce the heat to low and cover the pot. Add salt to taste. Add ground pepper according to your taste. Once mango is tender, top it with the napa cabbage, then turn the heat off and your dish is done. Exact measurements of the ingredients in the description box down below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated.